Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download chess application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your app store and then go to the search box and type in chess and search. Soon after you get to the search result, look for this application and tap on the download button or the get button to begin downloading chess application on your iPhone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your device. Chess or chess.com is one of the most popular chess application available with over 70 million members. It offers a wide variety of features including live chess, puzzles, lessons, and videos. Once the application is completed with the download, you will be able to open the app anytime you want. So that's how easy it is to get chess application downloaded on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.